Okay, let's continue on this topic. So, right now I'm gonna show you how can we use the integration by parts to solve this problem. So first, I would like to show you the formula for integration by parts. Suppose we have two functions ux and vx, and they are both differentiable. Now, differentiable means their derivative exist. So that means when we take the derivative to the function u x, the derivative is u prime x, and when we take the derivative of the function vx, the derivative is v prime of x, right? So that means the derivative of the product of their product also exists, and this derivative we can find it using product rule. Right? If the derivative of this product, if the derivative of the product ux and vx equals this, that means ux times vx is the antiderivative of this sum, of this result. Therefore, if we integrate to the right hand side, if we integrate to this expression, the result gonna be equal to ux times vx right? Okay, now since this is the integral of a sum, so we can rewrite this into a sum of two integrals. And this equals this product ux times vx. Alright, so now let me do one thing. Because ux and vx, they are both differentiable, so therefore we can, from this equation, we can rewrite that dux equals u prime x times dx, right? Just like what we do when we use substitution. And similarly here, dv we can write as v prime times dx, right? So over here, if I combine this term and this term, I put them together, so it will be equal to du, right? So the first integral we can rewrite as vx times du. And similarly, the second integral, if I combine v prime and dx, I put them together, so these two can be replaced by dv. So the second integral becomes ux times dv. So the integral of the integral of vx times du plus the integral of ux dv equals ux times vx. Therefore, if we subtract the integral vx du from both sides, we can have this formula. So the integral of ux dv equals ux times vx minus the integral of vx times du. And this is the formula. This is the formula we are using when we integrate by parts. Now in the next video, I'm gonna show you how can we use this formula to solve for this integral.